What's up, guys? We are here with Meet the Dancer. So, real quick, I'm gonna have each dancer introduce themselves. Okay, let's start with
So my name is Onyelca. I'm a singer at Christopher High School.
Onyelca.
Onyelca, yeah. And I'm a singer at Christopher High School.
Excellent. And we have.
My name is Gabby. I'm also a Christopher. Oh my god.
That's all right.
I'm also a senior at Christopher High School.
Excellent. Good. So, let's talk about dance. As far as your dance experience, what have you done besides class here? And let's start with Onyelca.
I mean, as far as dancing, I make TikTok sometimes.
TikTok.
TikTok, yeah. And like,
What is TikTok for those that don't know TikTok?
think of like an Instagram for like dancing. And
Instagram
then,
for dancing.
And like memes and stuff.
Okay.
And that's kind of like it for TikTok. And then like, I also like to dance through like the game Just Dance. And, like,
So with TikTok, do you learn dance moves with TikTok, or do you make dance moves with TikTok?
I learned them. Like,
Okay.
I don't make dances.
But you can though, is that right?
You can if you want to.
Okay. Okay. How about you, Gabby?
I danced when I was really little. I did Lana's dance and I did like ballet and tap for 5 years. But after that, it really didn't stick with me. And then after that, I kind of found dance a little more intimidating, especially the performance aspect of it. And then same thing with Onyelca. TikTok kind of helped when it came
TikTok?
to learning like choreographed dance.
Yeah.
Or at least wanting to.
So TikTok is like it's very popular with teenagers in high schools and maybe even college as well. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And what kind of songs do they use? All kinds?
They use,
It's like everything kind of.
yeah, it's usually whatever's popular comes up first, but sometimes people find something really obscure and then it becomes popular after that.
So maybe you guys could think about how did TikTok help you guys, or how did it inspire you guys to dance?
I mean, me personally, like watching TikToks and stuff like that, it's like I want to do what they're doing.
Okay.
Like, it kind of motivated me to go and try dancing because their dancing is actually really right. So,
Right.
so like, that's why I did dance.
Because you could relate to it.
Yeah, so like I want to go and like try to make those new dances and try and like memorize them. So
Yeah.
it's like I can try this as well.
Right. And you, Gabby?
I feel like seeing that other people who are just normal teenagers all over the place can do something and make it look easy, it becomes part of your routine once you learn it.
Yeah.
So like I'll be brushing my teeth and
Yeah.
I'll bust it out, I'll be getting ready, and it just kind of becomes like muscle memory. So then
Yeah.
tying that into actual dance like this class made it a lot less intimidating.
Okay. So speaking of this class, let's talk about your dance experience here. So this is the first time that you guys taking dance with class with me. Okay. So let's talk about maybe some of the what do you like best about the class, and also maybe what's the most challenging things in this class so far. Maybe we'll start with you, Onyelca.
For me personally, the challenging part is that like we're all on different levels. So, like some move fast, some move slow.
Yeah.
So I think I'm more of like an intermediate type person. So like for like the faster ones, like you want to keep up with them, but of course you can't because you're not as good as them. And things that I like are like it gives you like a time to like be yourself and like express yourself through like movement and stuff like that. So
Very good. Gabby.
Well, I feel like one of the harder things of this class is trying to get over being okay with making mistakes.
Yeah.
Because I know that me personally, I want to be a perfectionist and I want to get it all right.
Yeah.
But I just have to be okay with the fact that I'm not always going to be perfect. But at the same time, making those mistakes feels okay when you're with all of your friends, which I think is one of my favorite parts. Is that they're all with me all the time.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's a really comfortable environment all the time.
Right. Maybe let's talk about this. I think it's very cool that you guys are friends in here. But what about for the students who maybe are taking class and they're not there with their friends? Maybe what are some advices that you guys could give them?
I mean, always jump out there and try and make new friends because
Make new friends.
Yeah, because your friends are not gonna always want to do something you want to do. So like, you just try and do things that you want to do, not because like your friends do it because you want to do it.
Yeah.
Because that's how you miss out on stuff.
Yeah, very good. Gabby?
I feel like the opportunity to make new friends should be just as exciting as doing it with your
Yes.
friends in the first place. So, I mean, I would really love this class just the same, even if it were a bunch of strangers, because knowing that you're all going to make mistakes together, you're all going to learn together, you know that you're going to make friends eventually. So it's
Great.
something to look forward to.
That's very smart, very great advice. Now, speaking of advice, let's do this. Let's play a scenario, okay? So imagine we have a time machine. You could go back to maybe 3-4 years, maybe because you guys are seniors now. Let's go back to your freshman year, okay? Imagine the freshman Gabby, freshman Onyelca, first time at school, and this class was offered, okay? Now, what advice would you give somebody like that who's never taken a dance class before, and what can you tell them? So maybe Onyelca, we'll start with you if you have something.
I'd be like, I told them to go and try it out because it is high school. Go make new experiences. Go try new things because you only get one high school experience. So don't like lollygag and like not wanting to do something. Go and try it and actually do it.
Okay, good.
I feel like I would tell myself to just dive right in, because the biggest thing when you look back at your high school experience is regretting what you didn't do. And I would rather regret doing something or find out that I love doing something later rather than looking back and regretting that I didn't do it in the first place.
Very good. Great advice, guys. Thank you very much, guys. Let's get back to practice. Yay. Bye-bye.